The crazy thing about evyAI is evyAI allows you, if you click on network and then you click on find prospects and then you put in a domain name here, evyAI will research that company to identify everything that company does. They say if you don't have an assistant, you are an assistant. So go ahead and create a free trial of evyAI. And when I find people that are super interesting, I save them into evyAI, and then I get all their information organized. So you see this person, I have their information over here. Now, I might have this person on a different list. I might have their phone number somewhere else, or I can click enrich here, and then based on their LinkedIn profile or based on the notes, I could enrich it. Now, if I want to do research on someone, I can deploy an agent that researches this person all over the internet. If I type in Cisco.com and I press search, it'll tell you the 27,000 people that work at Cisco.com. Do you see that? And then it'll tell you everything about Cisco.com. This is one of the most incredible tools that are available today that you can use completely for free. There's no cost to using this. So even if you go in there just to see who works at companies, this is a powerful tool to use. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to deploy 2 agents that will research Jeffrey all over the internet and try to find everything there is to know. So he's the head of legal operations with 20 years plus experience driving large-scale transformation and global legal functions across Fortune 350 corporations and AmLaw 100 firms. Ooh, I love that. Okay, he's my primary contact, potential business opportunities, notable achievements. I see everything there is to know about him right here. And the beauty is that I see everything about him here. And look at that. He has his phone number and contact information right here. And in just a few seconds, it's going to pull all that information together, organize it, and then I can push a button and send it into Go High Level so I can give him a call. And that is powerful, my dear friends. That is one of the most powerful things you can do is pull the information into Go High Level and just connect with the person. So here's what it looks like inside Go High Level. And I can see he's already in GHL.
Ever wonder how I am connected to executives and entrepreneurs easily? It's all thanks to evyAI, an AI-powered sales assistant that lives right in my browser and on my phone. It helps me effortlessly build real relationships with top-tier prospects by automatically drafting personalized messages and insightful comments in my authentic voice using custom AI personas. It even saves and tracks key profiles so I can always stay top of mind with the right people. Ready to optimize your network? Learn more at evyai.com.
And you could also use evyAI to talk. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, I'm actually flying to Florida on Tuesday, but I will be back on Friday because I have my kids next weekend in New Jersey. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to press send and boom. I just typed all that with evyAI. I didn't have to actually type it all in because I'd rather talk to the technology than to type it up. You go to your profile. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. You go to your profile and you scroll down to your post, just like this. And then you click on the 3 dots on the top right corner of the post. You press copy link to post. Then you find the URL cleaner. evyAI has a URL cleaner. And then you copy the cleaned URL, which with no tracking parameters. And that's what you share with the world. I'm going to be sharing it inside several WhatsApp groups. You'll see how powerful it is. Once you log into the system, I would suggest clicking on Network, Find Prospects, and then click on Show Filter on the right side and type in a title for someone you want to meet. Maybe you want to meet CFOs, and maybe you want to meet them in Naples. I'm going to click on State. State is Florida. Okay, and you know what? I want to do coach instead of CFO. I'm going to do coach. And I'm going to do city, Naples. And so if you haven't tried out evyAI, go ahead, try that. Find your ideal clients, save them, reach out to those people, and see what happens.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.